I'm Jahir Islam. I'm the school international director. Today we are having this Economics Club Mumbai visiting us here.
We take students and parents to the top universities and show them what is good education, what kind of lectures, what kind of facilities they have. So they make an intelligent and right choice.
I have come through Transformative Educational Experience program organized by Economics Club Mumbai. University of Bristol is one of the reputed colleges, especially for economics in the UK as well as around the world also.
It is really inspiring to watch them give lectures to us. For me, because I want to pursue economics further, the lecture of Professor Sarah Smith was really inspiring.
So I've got another year for my PhD to start. So that is why I'm exploring colleges. And one of the best colleges undoubtedly is the University of Bristol. And the faculty here are so good. So I'll surely be thinking upon joining the university next year.
The students are very enthusiastic. They have got lots of questions and it seems that they have got good intuition.
Bristol is a wonderful place. I always wanted to visit. Maybe I'll come back again, spend more time here. It's a beautiful city.